The eastern redbud, scientifically known as Cercis canadensis, is a small deciduous tree or large shrub native to eastern and central North America. It naturally grows from southern Canada through the eastern United States and into parts of Mexico. As a member of the legume family, Fabaceae, it is related to peas and beans, a fact that influences its flower structure and seed pods. Eastern redbud is commonly found in woodland edges, along streams, and on rocky slopes, showing its adaptability to varied natural environments. Overall size and growth habit. Eastern redbud typically reaches a height of 20 to 30 feet, with a similar spread, making it well suited for residential landscapes and urban gardens. Its growth habit is often multi-trunked with a rounded or vase-shaped crown. The branches tend to grow in a graceful, slightly zigzag pattern, giving the tree an attractive silhouette even in winter when it is leafless. Growth is moderate, allowing gardeners to enjoy noticeable development without aggressive maintenance demands. Leaves and seasonal foliage. The leaves of the eastern redbud are one of its most recognizable features. They are broadly heart-shaped, smooth-edged, and range from 3 to 5 inches wide. Emerging reddish in spring, the leaves mature into a rich green during summer. In autumn, they turn shades of yellow, sometimes with hints of orange, providing seasonal interest even after flowering has ended. The leaf shape also contributes to the tree's ornamental appeal and soft texture in the landscape. Flowers and blooming characteristics. Eastern redbud is especially valued for its early spring flowers, which appear before the leaves emerge. The blossoms are small, pea-like, and typically pink to rosy purple, though white flowering varieties also exist. A distinctive trait of this tree is cauliflowery, meaning the flowers grow directly on the trunk and older branches rather than just on new growth. Blooming usually occurs in early to mid-spring and lasts 2 to 3 weeks, offering an important early nectar source for pollinators such as bees. Fruit and seed pods. After flowering, the tree produces flattened, bean-like seed pods that are 2 to 4 inches long. These pods start out green and gradually turn brown as they mature in late summer or fall. They often persist on the tree into winter, adding subtle visual interest. The seeds inside are eaten by birds and small mammals, contributing to the local ecosystem. As a legume, the eastern redbud can also improve soil quality by fixing nitrogen through symbiotic bacteria in its roots. Bark and winter appearance. The bark of the eastern redbud is smooth and dark brown when young, becoming scaly and ridged with age. In winter, when the leaves have fallen, the dark bark and visible flower buds help the tree retain visual interest. The twisting branches and textured bark make it an appealing ornamental tree even during dormant months. Growing conditions and care. Eastern redbud grows best in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. While it tolerates a range of soil types, including clay, it performs best in moderately fertile conditions with consistent moisture. Once established, it shows moderate drought tolerance. Pruning is minimal and mainly focused on removing dead or crossing branches. Because it flowers on older wood, heavy pruning should be avoided to preserve spring blooms. Landscape and ecological value. In landscaping, eastern redbud is commonly used as a specimen tree, in mixed borders, or as an understory tree beneath taller canopies. Its early flowers support pollinators at a critical time of year, while its seeds and foliage provide food for wildlife. Beyond its beauty, the eastern redbud plays a valuable ecological role, making it a favored choice for native plant gardens and sustainable landscapes.